we bought this property hoping that we would be able to convert the loft and engage with LMB in summer of last year to work through both the planning permission process, the design process, and when we met with LMB, we liked the fact that they had been around for a long time and we liked the people. The process of the actual build itself was really straightforward. We met Ollie, our project manager, and Marty, who was the foreman of works, really early on, and they both talked us through the various options that we had throughout. They were really very respectful, very clean, very tidy, in spite of all of the dust and everything that was everywhere, and all of our experience working with them was very good. Very professional folks, and we felt very well looked after. The work itself has given us extra space. It's given us about a third again in terms of usable space in the flat, which is fantastic. Gives us an extra space where we can have people to stay. We use it as a living room, so it's also a great chill space, and I love the bathroom. We're really happy with it.